436 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Yes. And the war is still going on. Hello everyone, boys and girls, welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, December the 16th, 2024. I believe 2 weeks to go till end of the month. And I've already solved 2 regular puzzles, the 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left, the binary. And this will be number 9760. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah, 28. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Yeah. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here also 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Yeah. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So now we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. These 2 boxes should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. I think it's time for comparing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be also O and a 1 there. But it's not helping me. It's not helping me. Come on, come on. I think it's time for comparing. Double 1 here, double 1. Oh, 1. Well, not the same, not the same. How about here? Double 1 here. No double ones. So I need the rows. How about here, the double O's? Yeah, no, not the same. Not the same. How about the double ones? One. This is switch. Ay, 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 ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Come on, come on. One, two, three, four. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1 here. No, here we have an O. Okay, 1. Double O. Yeah. This column and that column I can compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, empty box. 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, O, O, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here should be also O and a 1. Yeah, but it's not helping me here. O and a 1, 1 and an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Okay. So need an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here or there, then we have 3 ones in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so I cannot place the 5th O there. So these two boxes should be on 1 then. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Here we have also 4 ones. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, seems like I need to compare again. Do we have a double ones here? No. Do we have 101 here? 101. No. This I cannot compare. How about 0011? 00. No. 0011. Double O. Well, no, not the same. Not the same. Okay, this I cannot compare. So the rows. I need to compare the rows. How about this one? 100. Do we have 100 here? Here we have 100. Oh, oh, 10. No, no. How about this one? 1001. 1001. No. How about this one? 1010. 1011. 1010. Okay, here. Yeah. This one. Okay, let me compare. 0011, 0011, 1100, empty box, 11, empty box, 00. So we need to switch these two digits. Yeah. We have O here, this should be 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Finish. 11 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one here, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.